Napaikot niya ako kasi sa totoo lang, napakaganda talaga ng performance niya. Wala na akong masyadong maiko-comment doon sa performance niya yun. Pero for sure, alam ko sa sarili ko na meron pang igaganda yung performance niya. Meron kasing part doon na medyo nag-dip. So, medyo mababa for her. But, siguro yung right choice or right choice of music or right choice of song, mas makapagbibigay pa kami ng performance na talagang mapapawaw at mapapatayo ang mga audience. Grabe si Sham Shinel, ang taas ng boses. Tapos nag-do it pa sila ni Stel ng All By Myself. Medyo nabilib ako doon. Pero thank you so Sham Shinel for choosing me as your coach. Definitely I can teach you a lot of things. Siguro i-redefine natin yung pagbirit mo kasi there are some parts talaga na medyo need natin lagyan ng konting ingat. Pero apart from that, that was a great performance and I can't wait to work with you and the things that we could do together. Good luck, Sham Shinel.